I think I can even fit inside, guys. Hi guys, today we have this, which is my $300 worth of TAOBAO thing. I recently just moved house, so I bought all my home thingies from TAOBAO, and it's all here finally. It took about 1 month for it to reach me, and I can't wait to open it right now. Let's go. I can't even decide where to open it, guys. Should I open it from here? Maybe I have opened on the wrong side, so maybe I'll just open it from here because there are more things that I can take out slowly. Oh, I never spent so much in a single receipt. So I spent about, this was about $300 including shipping, and shipping was about $62. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's do it like this. Oh, I should take a thumbnail as well here. You can see the inside. You can see the size. I think I should put a leg. Put a leg for scale. Oh, this is totally... Oh, I have no idea what is this, guys. No idea at all. I will just put like words somewhere to tell you how much is it after I've checked it. And then if you guys want to go get it yourself, you can go and look at the link below. I will share all the links that you need for these items if you really want to buy one. Oh, I know! So I basically bought this sensor light. I wanted to put this on my wardrobe so that when I open the door, then the lights will turn on. You know, comes with a sticky tape for it to stick on top. It's 3M, so you don't really have to worry that your wardrobe will come off, like the paint will come off and stuff. So yeah, this is the smaller one. I also bought a bigger one as well. Then there's more scotch tape. My god. Ooh. Ooh. So this is the longer version. This is 0.8 meters, I remember. And similarly, it's a sensor light. Oh. So this is the longer version, and this is the shorter version. And it came with 2 charging wires as well. Again, I have no idea what this. Oh! I'm gonna be doing a video on this, and trust me, it's gonna be so helpful for all you girls with like flat hair, especially like at the crown area. So yeah, keep a lookout, friends. Hair comb and a hair clip, hairband, all these free gifts. Let me see. Of course, it comes in the China plug, but just use an adapter and you'll be fine. Okay, it's not just a straightener, trust me. If you want to know what I use this for, please subscribe and you'll know what it is when I launch the video. Another big box. In Asian countries at least, we like to put like a layer of film or like plastic paper whatsoever on the bottom of our drawers. That layer is supposed to protect your drawers from like spillage of I don't know what, or like moldiness, because it separates your item with the drawer. Some of the papers are also used to deter cockroaches or like insects and stuff, because like, I don't know, they are coated with some smelly things that cockroaches don't like or something. Okay, I bought 2 rolls actually, one longer one shorter one. So I wanted to put this in my drawers to create that film and that layer for all my items. They also gave a lot of free gifts. Like, I'm not surprised because TAOBAO sellers love to give a lot of free gifts. Asian mom's version of like the layer. So they like all these old-fashioned prints and like all the funny looking ones to like put in the drawers, and then it looks so ugly sometimes, but you can't really say anything because they will just whoop your ass because they're like a mom. Other free gifts, double-sided tape, and also some cloth thing. To be honest, I don't even know what's this. Okay, next, what's this? Oh, my my old clothes as pajamas because they are so comfortable, but when I saw these pajamas when I was shopping for all my home stuff, I got it because it's so cute. I bought this. Guys, I cannot. I really cannot. Look, it's Mickey Mouse. And it comes in a set. So I got this, which is the top. Oh, it's like a little bit too big, but okay, comfy. Cute. Oh, it comes with long pants. Oh my god, so cute. I couldn't help it. I just bought it all. Oh, free gift. Give me this. A hair band thingy. Woo! It's okay. I think I like mine better. I got another pajamas. I think it's pajamas too. Another pajamas. I love the colors, that's why I bought it. It's like blue stripes with like red lining. I love it. Oh, again, it's a bit big, but it's okay because pajamas are meant to be big, so you feel comfortable when you sleep. The material seems a bit thin, but who cares? Just sleeping in it, it's good to be thin. Singapore's so hot. Matching shorts. Next. No idea. What is this? Oh! This is the thing that I put at the side of my bed so that I can put all my like sleeping necessities-ish in between your bed and also your mattress. And then you can start slotting things in like your books or like your phone, your chargers, your earpiece, your iPad, whatever. Grey felt, very nice. It is thick, okay? It doesn't have that kind of very lousy, flimsy feel. Oh, it's not really a home thingy. But I bought a new tripod. I was looking for a handheld tripod that could become like a tall tripod as well. So this one makes the cut. So this one is where you put your camera. This becomes like your stand. This is the open. I want to open it. Hello. Oh, there we go. Can lengthen. I'm going traveling soon and I wanted to bring my camera along and I wanted to have like handheld functional tripod. The one that I have now can only open up like that. It's just useless. Not as helpful as I would like it to be. It came with a free gift as well. A Bluetooth clicker for taking photos. You can click and the phone will take a photo. Oh! I help girls do nails on the side, so I was resupplying my pouches. So these are sterilization pouches that I bought to sterilize my things. Ooh! So this is like my shoe storage rack. My shoe shelves are very thick in height, so I wanted to maximize the space to put like 2 shoes instead of like 1 shoe in like 1 column. So I bought 8 of this, and what it does is you can put 1 pair of shoes here and the other pair of shoes like here. So with that you can like access both shoes at one time, which helps with your space organization in your shoe rack. Oh my god, I'm losing space. I have no more space. Okay. Oh! This is my glass containers. So I will open them all up and I will show you. It's so cute, this one. Woo! I wanted to store my cotton wool and my other things in a very nice jar. So I got this. Oh, this is the wrong one. The bigger size one and a smaller size one. But don't you think it's very nice? Very nice, right? They have even a bigger one, like an even bigger size of this. Next! Oh! This is my toothbrush rack. So this is what I bought. So this is where you put your toothpaste and it will just come out over here. And this is where you hang your toothbrush. Open up and hang your toothbrush here. And then you have a small drawer as well. Gonna put like cotton wool again. Magnetic marks. Okay. Do you hear that? open this. What is this? 知道是什么？可以吃的吗？ Oh! This is my laundry basket. I was looking for something like that's this nice for a while and that fits nicely in terms of dimensions. So it opens like that. So open this up, put it at the corner of your room or whatever, and then you take your clothes and then you put them inside. Alright, let me use it right now with my new PJs. So this is canvas material, but the inside is actually waterproof, which makes it better because if your canvas is wet, then it's not gonna be like a laundry bag anymore. It's gonna be like a wet cloth. Then I really like that they painted this black. Very aesthetic. Next! Oh! Oh! These are my organizers, my drawer organizers. So my beauty corner is basically like in a very big mess right now because I've been waiting for these organizers to come for the longest time. So this is the combo that I bought. So it's all different sizes and different lengths, different widths as well. So I got a big one and a long but also big one. Oh, that's what she said. And then there is also a medium sized one. All the small little ones. Yeah, let's see how we can organize this later. I think I know what is this. Oh. The tabletop itself. And the legs are here. Oh shit, how do I do this? No. Okay. Hello? I'm tired already. Oh, there we go. My table that I bought. My second last box over here. More organizers. So I bought this muji-style organizers as well. I have a beauty drawer which I put all my skincare that I have, skincare and makeup that I have, and I can now store them in these very cute little boxes. You have no idea how much mess there is here, okay? Yeah, my last box! Oh, this is my tissue box! Very aesthetic tissue box. Oh, beautiful. Oh, very nice. But why do you give me this? And I can like mount it on the wall if I want to, but no, I'm not gonna mount it on the wall. That's all! And inside there's so much more shit. I already packed that once, and can you imagine that's the amount of shit I have to throw away later. So that's all for my $300 unboxing haul from Taobao. Here's another shameless plug for you guys. I recently filmed a haul on Taobao contact lenses, and if you are interested to find out what happened to my eyes, you can just check it out right here. I'm probably gonna be doing an accessories haul soon. I've been shopping on Taobao for I think a few weeks, and I've been storing all my accessory buys in the cart, and I feel like I might be ready to cut out very soon. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video. I will be sharing that really soon. Thank you guys for watching again. I'm so tired right now. So thank you guys for watching. Love me, sub me if you wanna reach me. Bye!